I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus RC versus IS 350. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. The RC is a sleek two-door coupe, while the IS 350 is a versatile four-door sedan. Both offer impressive performance and luxury, but their distinct body styles cater to different priorities. Let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to performance, both the RC and IS 350 often come equipped with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 311 horsepower. However, their driving dynamics differ. The RC, being a coupe, usually has a stiffer suspension, providing a more engaging and sporty driving experience. The IS 350, as a sedan, prioritizes a smoother, more refined ride, making it ideal for everyday commutes and longer journeys. Inside, the IS 350 clearly wins on practicality, offering significantly more rear legroom and easier access for passengers with its four doors. The RC's interior, while luxurious, is more focused on the driver, creating a snug, sporty cockpit feel. Both models provide premium materials and advanced technology, but if you frequently carry passengers or need more accessible cargo space, the IS 350 is the more practical choice. Both the RC and IS 350 come loaded with advanced safety features and intuitive infotainment systems, ensuring a connected and secure ride. Ultimately, your decision hinges on whether you prioritize the sleek, sporty appeal and engaging drive of a two-door coupe, or the added practicality, comfort, and passenger space of a four-door sedan. Consider your lifestyle and daily needs carefully. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.